Good morning, welcome to Matt's Life. So today we're heading up to Wales. We're off 3 nights with family. We're off in the car with my mum and stepdad and whatnot. The car's absolutely jam-packed, so it's going to be fun. Anyway, I'll take some videos once I get closer into Wales, show you some scenery, and we'll go from there. Today I've got the Van Gogh Galaxy 300 because I'll be there for 3 days, so it's a good tent for that. And then if it does rain, I'm not bothered, I've got plenty of room. Alright, let's get on the road and I'll see you next arrived. I thought I'd show you our view. There you are, look at this. How beautiful is that? I'm trying not to get my family in, but yeah, this is really nice. This is where my tent's going to be pitched, facing this. How beautiful. So here I am all set up, and I'm in my Van Gogh Galaxy 300. I'm ready to go. My whole family are still setting up, and that, and there's me chilled out. So they bring everything. No, I like to be basic. I've done it that many times now. I find it easy. So here's my view. Look at that, that's from my tent. I've never had a view like this camping. It's gorgeous, absolute gorgeous. So what I'm going to do now, set my Trangia up there. I'm going to make a coffee and chill out. Make my sister one as well, actually. Anyway, let's get on with it. I'll see you in a bit. So I'm just cooking for the 5,000 burgers. Taking and baking, it's all good fun. It's a bit windy up here though, but if you turn around you can see the view, it's gorgeous.
Olive oil.
How many more people?
Me to go.
Well, you had your burger.
Alright, yeah, there's a couple more.
Literally 12 to feet.
Yours is nearly done.
No pressure.
Delicious.
You got a few beauty shots for it.
Yeah.
Edit it in, make it look cool.
Yeah, I'm the #1 fan though. I need to see some content.
Video so you can watch it.
How is the kitchen?
Oh, wonderful.
Whoa!
No, it's fine. It's all good.
Amazing. Is that because of the fat it sets on fire?
Yeah. It's all good, you get used to it when you're in the kitchen.
The sound effect. That is so funny. Amazing.
I blew it out for no one complaining. Yeah, darling.
I don't know how you use it eating delivering burgers anyway.
Literally feeding 12 of us.
There you are.
Wow. Amazing.
One of them jaws then, Matt.
Yeah, Charlie,
Probably will.
have I done enough for you?
Yeah, mate, come. Thank you.
Whoa. The sound effect. That scream will appear in the video.
Who's not had one? There's two here.
You can have a double. So Uncle Matthew can have a double since he's cooking.
Fred's still hungry. He's alright. These are the grass-fed ones, aren't they?
Grass-fed meat. They tasted expensive, to be honest. Oh my god. Amazing.
Right, time for some scran. Thank you very much. All the cooking's done and sorted. So now I've just finished the cleaning. And yeah, I'm done. I think I'm going to sit in my tent, have a beer and watch the sun go down. Here we are, how beautiful. It's a beautiful little spot up here where we are. Loving it.
I fell on the floor.
Nice warm fire and a couple of beers.
For your video.
Yeah, yeah,
Them all together.
yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So here we are. The sun is setting. Absolutely beautiful. All my family are over there with the fire. And this is gorgeous. Anyway, I'm just gonna chill out with my family and then I'm gonna get some kips. So good night and I'll see you in the morning. Take it easy.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. We're Matt's sisters, by the way, and we stole his camera for the night. Love you, bro.
Love you.